What are some of your tips, your insights, and some advice that you would give people about how Facebook Marketplace works, how to give your ad more exposure, the different things you can do?
Yeah. So I'll say the first and biggest one is all about engagement. So when you think about what Facebook wants, whether it is you liking a friend's photo, the old like and share, the comments, the postings, Facebook wants more engagement, right? They want more people on the platform. They want more time on the platform. And that means more engagement on the platform. So as an advertiser, and as a landlord, I am an advertiser. As an advertiser, I want to figure out how to get the most engagement on my ad so that Facebook thinks, wow, people really want to engage with Heart's ad. And again, it can be a piece of furniture, it can be my old tennis shoe, or it can be a beautiful executive house in Oakville. So engagement is key. And so when we post that ad, everything that we do is about getting engagement. And then the little, side tip to that is immediate engagement is really important. So if you have an ad that's up for 4 days and it's overpriced, and then you go, okay, you know what? I've learned my lesson. I'm going to drop that price down. That 4 days of non-engagement that Facebook sees is going to be detrimental to the overall success of your ad. So when you post your ad, you want immediate engagement and you want high engagement. And so what that means, like a little case study, if I have a 3-bedroom home in Oakville, standard home, let's say, and I'm not too keen on pets, right? Landlords can be not keen on pets. We're not going to get into the LTB and the RTA and all of that right now.
Every single landlord doesn't want pets.
Yeah. As a landlord, I did, right? So
you wanted pets.
I wanted pets. But we'll talk about that in a second. So let's say I don't want pets, but I've spoken to Rent Panda. They're managing my advertisement. I want to advertise as a pet-friendly place for 2 reasons. One, when people come through and they have pets and they see that the place is pet-friendly, A, they're going to disclose that they have pets. If they don't have pets, they're going to disclose that they may want to get pets. And we can screen pet people out, right? It's very easy once someone divulges that they have pets to simply pass on them, right? And that's my choice as a landlord. Ethics, morals aside, that's my choice as a landlord to pass on someone for any reason. But about 50% of the rental population has pets. So if you think about 50% of those Facebook users who could potentially engage with your ad, you want them to engage with your ad right away, even if you're going to screen them out. So yes, it's a little bit more work to screen them out, but by getting that extra 50% of the population engaging with your ad because you said pet friendly, you're automatically telling Facebook more people want to engage with this ad, and Facebook pushes it out to more people who are relevant. So you're going to get more engagement from those without pets by actually posting pet friendly. And that's just one example of, playing the Facebook algorithm to get higher engagement.
Smart. Yeah, I've definitely done the pet friendly thing to get people to disclose or if they're planning on getting a pet.
Yep.
But I never thought about the engagement.
Right.
So this is the type of stuff I want to know, like how to get more views on these ads on Facebook. So what else can you do?
So number 2 is Facebook is a pay to play game, right? Zuckerberg and all those Facebook execs want advertising dollars. And again, if I'm Nike or I'm Hart with a rental ad, they want advertising dollars. And it's huge, huge ad revenue when you look at marketplace spend. So if I'm going to be on marketplace and I really want to move a property, I need to spend, and I need to spend from day one. So again, think about, the hierarchy of these tips is engagement is always key. And so if you want immediate engagement, you pay right away. You don't post and you post at a too high price and then wait a little bit and then drop the price and then pay your $10 or $20 to get a boosted post. You want to go out on Facebook Marketplace, you want to price it appropriately, and you want to pay for that ad. Even if you're paying $10 or $20, it's still going to make a big difference. And $10 or $20 in a market, within the GTA can get you 2,000-3,000 impressions. And we talked about that funnel. 2,000-3,000 impressions could be the difference between renting that place out within a week or 2 and letting it sit vacant for an extra month. For us as a company, we spend a lot more than that on our Facebook ads because we want to move properties. So spending $50, $100, $150 on an ad isn't, uncommon for us because we want to get more people viewing that ad so that funnel can really work.
Okay, so how does the boost actually work? What is it doing? Is it pushing the ad out to people's news feeds? Is it pushing it out? So I looked into it a bit. It's saying that on Instagram and Facebook, it's going to get more views and engagement. But is that just going out to random people on like Instagram? They see it on their news feed?
No.
Or is it going out to people who are specifically in Marketplace looking for rental housing?
Yeah. So the way that Facebook works is you can pay for ads, which go out into the newsfeed and they get placed based on people's interests, essentially. You don't want to do that. That's what like big advertisers do. If you're going out and spending $100,000 to get, anyone interested in real estate into that advertisement, if you've got a big fund or something like that, those are ad placements. But Marketplace boosts give you more impressions with an audience that Facebook thinks will engage with your ad. So